climate's not going to get better, but our landscapes can get more resilient. Land is really the ultimate finite commodity on the world, isn't it? So how can we grow more land? How can we make more land in the world?
So I pioneered and developed that method of reforestation in Niger Republic, West Africa. It basically relies on what's already in the ground, tree stumps, living roots with the ability to sprout, and this seed bank. And so actually, if you want to do very rapid, low cost and scalable reforestation, everything that you need is already there. And on a global scale, and thinking in terms of the crisis of climate change, we could start yesterday. It's really a matter of mindset change.
Yeah.
There's a great disconnect, and our disciplines are siloed, so agriculture in one corner and forestry in another. In reality, in nature, it's a continuum, and each component, if you like, benefits from the presence of the other. The more we come to understand about how nature works, the more we learn to work with nature instead of hitting it on the head and fighting against it, the more productive the land will be, and the healthier and more prosperous lives people will be able to live. Once the ecology is in place, you have a functioning, healthy ecosystem, then you can have diversity, new enterprises, and greater resilience to the shocks that are happening already. Where we see a massive land restoration, hope is restored, people start to believe in their land and the possibility of a dignified, meaningful and prosperous life. There are working models of the different aspects of regenerative agriculture out there. You can't go past the power of exchange visits, awareness creation, and then following that up with training on the ground and follow-up visits to the farmers, getting farmers to talk to farmers, researchers to talk to farmers. And the science piece, we need to be able to measure this. We need to be able to predict in a certain context which is the best combination of interventions to apply there. We're seeing a doubling up to a 5-fold increase in productivity on what had been classified as more or less wasteland. That there are at least 2 billion hectares of degraded land. 500 million of them are abandoned farmlands. Let's start there, but who knows the limit?
Yeah, so we're talking about solar cycles, water cycles, carbon cycles through the living skin of the planet.
Nutrient cycles.
And an economic cycle, right? And a virtuous economic cycle that allows people to receive investment, to rebuild their farms, then to sell into markets, to return on that investment, and then a model that can scale by further investment.
It's proven, there's enough evidence. What we need now is get that message out and scale it up.